Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today is bright, sunny, no rain. Yesterday it rained a lot, and I've been on my ladder today clearing the gutter, so I want to show you. The reason was I was watching yesterday when it was raining hard, and I noticed there was a lot of water coming down right there all the way here, and the same thing over here. There was so much water running on the windows, this window and also that window. So that's not how it's supposed to be. The gutter supposed to carry water all the way down there to the spout, goes down and goes out that way, but no. So I was on the ladder, remove the covers, these white stuffs, those are the covers. They don't really help that much, I guess, if you just cover the gutter and forget about it, because there's a lot of sand accumulated over who knows how many years. So I've got 2 bags of dirt, see, and then here's another bag coming from the gutter. It's all clean now, so I just thought I'd show you dirt. And part of it that caused the problem is this mesh, this net here. What they did, they put it underneath the cover, underneath this, and then it didn't stay straight, flat, attached to the cover, so it fell in the gutter, and then there was a sand accumulation, and this was just a good barrier to stop water from flowing. So let's go up there and take a look, see what it looks like. As you can see, it's all cleared. So right here there was a barrier, a big mound of sand that blocked water from going through. And then all the way this way it's all clear. It has been cleared like this. Anyway, I'm gonna put the covers back on, but I'm not gonna screw them back on, just in case in the future I have to do this again. This is how it was over here as well. That's just one of them, one piece. And you see the mesh underneath? That's just causing a problem once it fell off and blocks the flow of water. Anyway, there are some chores or tasks you have to do as a homeowner, or you hire somebody to do it. Gutter is a problem if you don't clear it every so often. So this thing, if you were to hire some, they would charge about $250. So either you do it yourself or pay money. It's your time or your money. All right, your time or your money. Okay, I'm down to the last piece. I'm putting back all the covers. Each one has like a screw right here, but I'm not putting back the screws because I might have to do this again. This thing is just plastic, but it's flexible. I guess it's okay in the UV lights. Don't know how long it has been up there. And the way it attached, I will also show you. Basically, is this groove here. it covers the edge of the gutter, and that's how it bites into the gutter and stays there. So actually it doesn't really need a screw. So let me show you. Not really sure if I can do it with one hand to film this, but let's see. I'm not sure if you can see, but basically I'm down to the last one. So you don't need to be afraid to lift this up to insert the cover. So let's put the camera on the other side. Or hopefully I get the footage. Anyway, I use a painter's tool to help me to insert the cover. So what I do, I lift. See, just don't be afraid to lift. So you lift it up, insert the corner of it, and then slice it in. Sorry, I didn't capture it. Okay, so I insert a corner and then slide it in. I just have to make sure it goes all the way. This is the end piece, so it's not really that difficult. Alright, it's in, but it's not all the way in, so I gotta go in a little bit more. There. Oops. So you see, that's like all the way inside, underneath the roof shingles. And then with this tool, you just slide it in. See the groove, one side of it goes on top, one side of it goes underneath, and then you just have to make sure it all goes in all the way to the end. That's all. So maybe I do it from right to left. Probably didn't work. Probably do from left to right instead. Let's see, like that, and then pull with your left hand, left fingers. See, goes right in, and then you just move along. Just have to insert it all the way. That's all, folks. So see you in the next one. If you have any questions, put them down below. Thank you. Bye bye.